Hey there, this is Alex with another Filedrop update. And in this update, I want to show you a new feature we added to Filedrop. A lot of you are using our Google Sheets add-on for creating libraries of images, catalogs of sorts. And what we did, we tried to bring the experience of Google Sheets and the Filedrop sidebar with many of its functions that we have there onto our online web app. So we've put together a spreadsheet-like interface with the uploader. So on the left here we have the spreadsheets, and here we have the uploader, and this allows you to recreate the experience, but with the benefits of being more friendly with this type of result, because a lot of time, for example, Google Sheets have issues with the image size, the quality of the image. If you want to create a good looking presentation with the images, sometimes the result might not be what you wanted. And it's still in beta, so if you have suggestions or you see bugs, please write us. We'd love to hear some feedback. It has a couple of different display options. So how it works is kind of the same as the just a second, I'm gonna upload some images now. So we have the sidebar, can be as list. So we have a few options here. We can have image in cell, image in plus name and date, or link only. The sorting order is available, so you can sort and insert the images in the order that you like. It allows you to drag and drop zip archives as well, but and the limit is 200 images for the moment. We might increase this at a later time, but for now I think that's plenty of room to work with. And let's click upload. And the images are displayed here. We can edit the columns. We have multiple types of columns. So we have image, text, text area, numbers, select, date, URL, checkbox, and status. By default it comes as text. So here we can have name, price, description, and then we have the export function. It allows you to export this list as CSV, Excel with images, and PDF export. For the PDF, we have some options here. These catalogs, we call them catalogs, maybe we will change that at a later point, can be shareable as well. So we can have nice links here. We can select if we want to display them as a gallery or as a table or both. And we're gonna say both, and let's go here. So now we have all the columns that were there, but we can delete the columns, we can edit them, we can display different types of things in them. Here in the gallery mode, we have this option here, the columns, and we can select the fields that are under the image. So now I think we have date, name, and URL. And we have date, name, and URL. We can rename this to have different names, of course, and we can display price or anything like that. Users can search. Of course, we can display only the items that have actual images in them. So yeah, this is a quick preview. Please give it a go. Free users as well have access to this with some limits, of course. But if you're on a paid plan, I think you're gonna love it if you already do this with Google Sheets. So thank you. I'm waiting for the feedback. Cheers. Bye.